Alexander? There you
Good.
are. How are you doing?
All good. All good. We just get back from Barcelona.
Wow.
We had an event this weekend. So it was quite successful because Spanish market is beginning to grow and taking the right direction. So we've been there to make let's say a specific training and then a business opportunity meeting. Everything went well, so all good.
Oh, fantastic. I've got an osteopath and a theta healer, and I've got a little group that's been growing there not in Barcelona, in
Yeah.
Palmas, Spain.
Yes, but in a global, let's say, with a global vision, we have a growth of 60% year to date in Spain. So we are beginning to make a story there. Let's see. Let's see. The next step, as you know, is to go in London. So this weekend,
It's a busy time of
and
year for
we are
you.
looking. Yes, but it will be, I think, our main event of the year regarding the amount of SPDs that we have for this one. And we have the chance to have Claudia Artonek, the Vice President of the EMEA market, and as well Ryan Barson, who will be there. So it will be a good one.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Bon, on your side, everything is going well?
Yes, everything is going well. I've been inviting a lot of people to the event in London and also then to the global convention that's in October. So yeah, so things are moving forward and we're here with a mission to save as many lives as possible, get them started on these patches so they can
Yeah,
repair, reset, and regenerate their bodies, right?
totally, totally. So the goal of this call is first of all to share with you a few data regarding the EMEA market. As I seen, this call is a record and you would like to put it on Facebook, correct?
Let's see how it goes. If we want, what we can do is we can go over some of these details here at the beginning. And then if at the end we want to do maybe a short 3 to 5 minute, we can do that. And then I can cut out the beginning and then just put the end. So
Okay,
we could do that.
perfect. So I will share my screen first of all,
Sure.
and I prepare a few slides for you tonight just for giving you an update about what is happening right now for our market and giving you visibility as well for the UK one. So will be interesting. You will see. So I'm trying to share. Yes, you have to give
Oh,
me the access.
there you go.
Okay, perfect. Tac, tac, tac. So as I was saying, Lilian, we have actually a really good growth in our market since 2022. I just put on this slide 2023 and 2024, but as you could see, this is a graph of enrollment. So every new BP that we had actually during the last 2 years, and as you could see, we have an important growth. We are talking about 118% of growth year to date. So again, things are going very well for the EMEA market. And it is linked for sure, I mean, with the sales. So right now it's enrollment, but the same situation is happening for the sales turnover of our region. As you could see, since 2023, we still have a really, really good dynamic. And we made our best move in August. And so we have year to date a growth of 80% in terms of sales. So things again are going well. We are living a momentum. We have few markets which are doing an amazing job, but let's say this one, in a global view, each market of our region is actually growing. And you will see, by the way, on this slide, what is happening in more details. But I put on this slide, let's say the most important market that we have. Our number one market is for sure Germany, but we still have, let's say, a growth of 17% this year. We have an amazing story happening in South Africa. We just have in the last weeks, 2 new SPDs there, and we have a growth of 330% at the moment.
Is that
So we have a
Zanzibar?
really, really good story coming up there. I would like, by the way, to precise that South Africa made the best sales result for August. So they've been #1 last month in terms of sales result compared to other countries. So for a new country, they are doing an amazing job as well. Following that, for sure, we have Romania with a growth of 170%. Poland is an amazing country, 210%.
Wow.
And I put UK, where we are going in few days, 77%. Again, we have an amazing story there. We are expecting, regarding the events that we will have, so Saturday and Sunday, we have a room waiting, 250 packs. So it will be a good room. It will be a good meeting room, and we are sure that we will have an amazing event all together there. And just for finish, regarding our main market, Portugal was our best growth last year, and still this year they are doing an amazing job. But last year they made a growth of 670%. So they are still pushing. Yes.
Portugal did 670%?
Yeah, it was amazing what happened last year. Because my first seminar, to be transparent with you and tell you a little about this story, Lilian. When I joined LifeWave, so it was in August 2022, and I was just quitting my last company. I quit my company the 30th of July, and I've been to LifeWave the 1st of August. So I've been straight. And following that, so with Claudia, we work on sales plan and what we could do for, let's say, for this region. And so we created digital event and physical event, in-person event. And the first one was in Portugal. So we made in March 2023 a forum there. We call our event forum. And we were expecting 50, 60 people, as a first step. And the funny story about this is that we did not have enough chairs during the event. We had more than 110 packs. And the story began like this. Following that, we have a really good leadership in Portugal, but as I was saying, they had a triple-digit growth last year and still today. So again, it was important for me to share with you what is happening clearly in our region, and it's only good news. If I have to make a focus more important about UK, I prepare this information for you. But here you have clearly the situation of UK in terms of enrollment between 2023 and year to date, so 2024. And we are really proud to say that we have a growth of 148% in terms of enrollment. So again, UK is actually one of our main markets, and the situation is quite in the same dynamic for the UK sales result. As you could see, we have a growth, as we were saying just before, but a growth of 77% year to date. So finally, again, only good news, and we still have a lot of events and projects. So for 2024 and 2025, but we just hire a new person to support the eastern region of Europe. So that means that we will be more and more present into the field for the next month and the next years. So regarding this, if I have to talk more about the event and to promote a little what we will do in London. So first of all, Power Forum. This is a concept that we implement last year, and it is an event of 2 days. So this event will take place the 14th and 15th of September, and the goal of this one is, first of all, the Saturday morning, to work with our leaders, SPD and brand partners, to work together to make a business opportunity meeting. That means that every guest are welcome the Saturday morning. We will present the concept, present the technology, present the business model, and following that, after this, they will have the possibility to sign up as a brand partner. And we have a specific offer for them. If they register with at least a silver pack, they will receive directly from us an Alavida sleeve for free. So it is a real good operation. We made it, for example, in Romania a few weeks ago. We have 73 guests, 55 signed up with this operation. So again, it's really attractive. It's a really good gift from the company. And most important, if they signed up, they will have the possibility to have lunch with us and to follow the 2 days of training. So they will have a strong and clear onboarding directly. So this is, let's say, the first part. And following that, as you know, we have so many SPDs coming from USA and Europe who will be there to train, support, share knowledge, tips. It is, let's say, this one, a must event, a must attend, no, a must event to attend if you would like to develop your skills and have really a better vision of what we are doing and the next steps that you should follow. So you could be sure regarding testimonials training, it will be strong, it will be wild, and we are looking to make a big push into the UK market. So here you have a global overview, Lillian.
Wow, that is really fantastic. And that's very impressive that out of 73 people, 55 of 73, like 80% of the people enrolled got started right there on the spot. That's so awesome that they got a silver kit plus a free Alavita patch, and they were able to then attend the lunch and also attend 2-day training. That's a wonderful kickstart to their introduction into LifeWave and into really the best is yet to come for the rest of their lives. What a incredible starting point. Bravo. Well done.
Go. Thanks, Lillian, for this. And you know, to be transparent, our goal is really this one. First of all, to support our network, to support our field, to take care of them as well, to give a good push and to give them, let's say, the best condition to work and launch their career with us. So this is why we implemented this type of thing in our market. And we will do this this weekend for the UK field. So only good news. Again, we still have few places. We just opened few places more for guests. We were full in terms of guests, but we opened more space. We have a room with open for up 250 people. So if you are a brand partner, if you have few people living in UK, ladies and gentlemen, this is the opportunity to take. Join us in UK, join us in London. You will see it will be powerful and you will have a great start for your career.
Wow, that is really, really, really fantastic, Alex. Okay, so can you kind of paint a picture for brand partners so that I can convey this message also to the people, because I'm one of those people who up until I walk into the event, and even if the event has started, I continue to tell people, hey, you know what? There's still time for you to show up. And so what would you say is the number one thing that you know that they can expect that you can deliver on when they show up?
The thing that without vision and without knowledge, you cannot, let's say this one, develop this type of activity. One of the most important things that I learned in this industry is that events are the most important. If you are really serious and professional into your business and you would like to rank up and to go in the next step, you need to attend event. Why? Because you will meet successful people. They will share their stories, they will share their knowledge, they will share their skills. So your goal, again, if you are really looking to develop and build a sustainable career, is to attend events. It is one of the key. Following that, for sure, it will depend of you. It will depend of you because you will have to practice, develop, let's say, your own skills, etc., etc. But you need to attend event. It is a must to do in our industry. You know, our industry is not B2C, is not B2B, it's P2P, people to people. And I used to say all the time in my seminars, people first follow people and then a company. If you would like to grow, if you would like to go higher, you need to inspire yourself from people who have success. And this event in London will be the one to attend. Again, we have 7, 8, 9 SPD minimum who will be with us coming from different countries, people who are really successful. So that's it. It's your decision to join us. And I will add this one as well. We have the chance to have Claudia Artonek, who is the Vice President of the European Sales, and Ryan Barson, who is the Global Senior Vice President, you will have news, KPI, information regarding the company next step. So it will be as well a really good moment for you to understand better who is LifeWave, what we are doing, and where we are going.
Okay. A little special note I'd like you to address, because I have a very large network of doctors and holistic care practitioners, because I think this is something that we are literally making history right now, because we're the only technology on the planet that has the capacity to do what we do. And we have global patents in 82 countries, so they can't get it anywhere else. So speak to people who are doctors who have either their own practice or own hospitals or med spas or med clinics and things like that. Just a little carrot, if you will, for them.
The good thing about this, and I will not go so much in details right now on this record, the best thing is really to come and to see and to listen what we will share with you about this amazing technology. I'm agree with you, Lilian. We have a unique product and a unique technology. I was in London with Meredith Berkic for a DSA event, and they are calling LifeWave as a darling company. Just as a reminder, we have a growth of 2000% for the last 5 years. But going back to the product, this product is amazing, and we are able to touch everybody with our solution. Regarding this, for sure, each market is working in a different way. For example, in France, I have more a network of customers and for sure builders, but we have a lot of customers. In Germany, we have a lot of doctors. I mean, again, our technology is able to answer to everyone. And if you would like to have more details about this one, again, join us because you will have so many testimonials and we will have so many doctors as well during this event.
Yeah.
So it will be the right opportunity for you to discover our technology, to have professional comment and medical comment on this one, to understand really what we are doing. But this technology, again, is unique and really innovative. There is no competition. And as you were saying, we are able to support and let's say this one, encourage the health, wellness, beauty, and longevity for every people that we encounter.
Bottom line, that's it. Okay, Alex, well, thank you for sharing all of this incredible insight and information about the Power Forum coming up the 14th and 15th in London at the Hilton Paddington. It's going to be a phenomenal event. And if anyone who is watching this video wants to attend, you can, as a personal guest, just put a message in the comments below and we'll be sure to take good care of you. And we'll take care of the details later. All right, take care. Thank you, Alex, Noel. Have a
Merci,
beautiful rest
Liliane.
of your day.
Au revoir, Liliane. Bye bye.